Hi everyone, I'm teacher Yanni. Thank you for being with me. Today I would like to share with you how to convert JPEG or image or a photo into a text, which you could edit in Word. And the best part of it is that you don't need to install softwares or extensions or any apps except Microsoft Word. So how do we do it? Well, we'll try to do it together. Let's begin now. Well, first you have to take a photo, and I have taken one here. I save it in my PC. So this is the image that I want. Then we're going to convert this into PDF form. So what are we going to do? First, we have to go to the taskbar and type Word. Next, go to Word. So now let's choose a blank document. Okay, we're going to insert image into Word. So we shall go to Insert, the Insert menu here, click on it, and then go to Pictures. So I saved the image in this device, so I'll go to this device, and then I saved it in my desktop. So I'll go to Desktop. So this is the image that I want, and click on it and go to Insert. Now the image appears in the Word, but I'm going to save it in a PDF form instead of Word. In order to do this, we need to go to File menu, click on it, and you have to go to Save As. So here I name the file Image to Text, and we have to go to the drop down arrow, click on it and choose PDF. Next we go to Save. So this is the PDF form, and now we can close this so as the Word. Alright, now this is the PDF form that I just saved. Now again we have to go to the search box and type Word, go to Word. And this time around we're going to look for the PDF file which we have just saved. So we go to Open, and next we go to Browse. Here we need to know where we saved the file because we need to retrieve it. Just now I saved it in desktop, so I will go to desktop and look for the file image to text. Okay, this is the file image to text. So I click on it and I go to open. Okay, this is the dialog box stated that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, and of course this is what we want. This may take a while, so it's fine. So we click on OK. And it takes some time to process it. So this is the editable file where we can actually edit it. Okay. And we can also change the font size, change it to 8 or change it bigger. Okay, so this is editable. I hope that all of you managed to follow the steps and convert the image to text. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button, and that way you'll get the notification anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, if you have any videos topics that you want to see me cover, leave a comment down below. Hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, bye.